What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video we're gonna replace my headlights on my 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer Revolution 10 final edition. I got the RGB headlights. How you guys know, I installed them on the MR, but I sold the car and I got the final edition. And today basically the car came with these headlights. I'm gonna show it to you right now guys, but it's very dim. Like when I'm driving I can see shit, and this is not good headlights. Like for you guys, if you guys thinking to buy this kind of headlights, don't, because they're not good, very bad. So here we go. We're just gonna take this cover out right here and do the headlights. What's this connection for? It's a connection. Okay, let's do it. So guys, to show you again, it's very simple. There is a branch 10 right here, one bolt right here, then you just remove the cover on top and you take 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is one more 5 screw out, and also 2 more here on the sides guys. One right there, one right here, and from this side same thing on this right there. And then you guys should be able to take out the headlight, the bumper, I'm sorry. So far we got the bumper out. It was super easy guys. I showed you just a couple of screws, and I'm gonna take the headlights out right now and put the RGB ones. So just got the headlights out guys. This is how the car looks like. Very ugly, no lights, and just gonna put the RGB ones. Okay guys, just put the headlight, also this. You just have to connect the connector right there. I put the cable all the way from here guys, here. Just need a zip tie, but I don't have zip tie right here. And I put the positive right here, and also I connected right here this. It's a fuse 10, and I'm just gonna put everything back together and good to go. Yes sir. Come on, change. What the fuck? Another day we're gonna change the wing on my car. Gonna go back to the big wing. We have the R7 right here. R7, EVO 10 or EVO 8. Salam alaikum.
What's up?
We got the wing out. There was 2 screws here, one right there. Same thing right here guys. This is the stock wing right here. You might need some help to take the big one out. Final step. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Thanks to my brother for helping me. Fiber. This looks so hot, amazing. Guys, the final look to the